You all already know that one of the most powerful things that can massively increase your sales on Amazon or Etsy is having a video for your book, an A+ video. And on top of that, you must have a dedicated video for your book if you plan to run ads on Amazon or on Etsy. There's just no way around it. Even better than that, you should have a video that clearly presents your book, explains it, and shows exactly how a child will benefit from it. Then you publish that video on social media. And honestly, the best option here is to make it a short video. I'm very confident about this. I've tested this method myself, and it brings in a lot of sales. In the video you're seeing right now on your screen, we explain step by step how to create a short video specifically for the book that we already created together earlier. So now, let's watch the video.
Looking for a fun and easy way to teach your child math? This 100-page preschool math workbook is designed for kids ages 3 and up and helps them learn numbers step by step through tracing numbers from 1 to 100, counting objects, matching quantities, adding and subtracting, comparing numbers, skip counting, and learning basic shapes. The black and white pages are perfect for printing, coloring, and daily practice, making this book ideal for homeschool, preschool, and kindergarten learning. Help your child build strong math skills with confidence and have fun learning one page at a time.
You'll notice that this is a great video. It clearly explains to the parent or the teacher the benefits the child will get and exactly what the child will learn from this book. But if you pay close attention, you'll also notice that the video is in English. And if we really want to multiply our sales, not just a little, but multiple times, then the best move is to translate this video into different languages. And I know you completely agree with me on this, especially if you're targeting audiences who are not English speakers. I strongly recommend that you target other markets, like the French market, the German market, and even more. These markets have very low competition, and at the same time, very high sales potential. That's why I personally consider this video to be one of the most important videos that can truly double or even triple your sales if you apply it the right way. Watch until the end and you'll fully understand the idea. Now, the big question is, how do we translate this video into other languages like German, French, and more, while keeping high accuracy at the same time? I found this amazing website called vmeg.ai. And I'll leave the link to this site down in the description box for you. When we go to the dashboard of the platform, you'll find a lot of powerful features like video translation, voice translation, transcription, text-to-speech, and even a subtitle translator. All of these tools are things we're going to need. So don't get bored, my friend. Stay with me. On my channel, I don't just teach you how to design digital products that we sell on Etsy and Amazon in a professional way. I also teach you how to create videos for these products and publish them on social media to multiply your sales. So never get tired of learning, because every new skill you learn here moves you one step closer to more sales and more success. First, let's try the most popular feature here and the one we actually need, which is video translation. To begin, we upload the video that we watched just a moment ago. After that, you'll notice that the user interface here is very simple and easy to use. First, we select the original language of the video, which in this case is English. Then, we choose the languages we want to translate this video into. Let's say we choose French. Here, you can choose any language you can imagine, but I'm going to choose German. Why? Because it's a difficult language, and in a moment, you'll see the amazing result. Next, it asks how many speakers are in this video. There's only one speaker, so I'll select 1. Now it asks you to choose the voice you want for the translated video. Here we have the voice cloning feature. This is perfect if you create videos yourself and want your own voice to be used in the translated versions. But I'll choose Match System Voices, because it automatically selects the best voice that fits your video. After that, we choose the video quality. I'll leave it enabled on high quality. Then we click Submit, and now let's see the incredible result. The cost is around 60 credits per minute, which is honestly cheap and absolutely worth it. Now, let's watch the result together.
Vous cherchez un moyen amusant et simple pour apprendre les maths à votre enfant? Ce cahier de mathématiques pour la maternelle, composé de 100 pages, est conçu pour les enfants dès 3 ans. Il les aide à apprendre les nombres pas à pas en les traçant de 1 à 100, à compter des objets, à associer les quantités, à additionner et à soustraire, et à comparer les nombres.
This is the result of the video translated into French, and honestly, it's really impressive. Now let's watch the same video translated into German.
Suchst du nach einer lustigen und einfachen Möglichkeit, deinem Kind Mathe beizubringen? Dieses 100-seitige Matheübungsbuch für Vorschulkinder ist für Kinder ab 3 Jahren geeignet und hilft ihnen, Zahlen zu lernen, Schritt für Schritt durch das Nachzeichnen der Zahlen.
I truly think this is amazing and absolutely worth it. But it doesn't stop here at all. There's even more. If we go back again to the video translation section, you'll see that we can also add a video link from social media. So if you already have videos uploaded on social platforms and you want to translate them easily, you can do that just by using the link. For example, if we go to my YouTube channel, copy the link of this video and paste it right here, in literally 1 second, the platform automatically uploads the video for us. And using the same process, we select the original video language as English, then translate it into German and French. We choose the number of speakers, which is 1 speaker in this video, then we click Submit. And within just a few seconds, the platform creates the translated videos for me. Now, let's watch the results together.
Cette niche génère des milliers de ventes chaque jour, et tu devrais vraiment avoir au moins 5 livres dans cette niche. Et regarde ces pages intérieures. Je vais t'apprendre à créer des pages bien meilleures que toutes celles-là. Et si on va aussi sur Etsy?
This is honestly amazing and totally worth it. I'm already thinking about creating another channel and uploading my book videos there, but this time translated into other languages. And it doesn't stop here at all. If we click on Edit Video at the bottom right of the page, we can control everything. Here, the platform automatically writes the full script of the video and translates it into French. We can edit the text, adjust it, and even add more languages by clicking the Language button at the top. And the really beautiful part here is that we can add subtitles to this video. You get many different fonts and clean, beautiful styles to choose from. Let's try this font in yellow. You'll immediately see that the written translation is automatically added to the video. We can adjust it to look even better, maybe make it a little bigger, or change the color to blue if you want. You can also change the font style and the font size. I really want you to go in, explore, and experiment with these features yourself, because the results you'll get are truly impressive. Now let's go back to the dashboard. There's a tool here called Audio Translator. With this tool, you can upload an audio file instead of uploading a full video. This makes our workflow much easier during video editing. And in the exact same way, we translate the audio file itself instead of translating the entire video. And if we go to the transcription tool, trust me, you're going to need this a lot. For example, if you see a book on Amazon or Etsy, or you find a promotional video for a book on YouTube, and you want to create a similar video, all you have to do is paste the video link right here and click Submit. In 1 second, it extracts the full script from the video with very high accuracy. We can edit this script and reuse it again in our own videos. I'm going to copy this script now because I want to show you what we can do next. If we go back to the tools available on the platform, you'll find the text-to-speech tool. If you don't like using your own voice in videos, no problem at all. Here you can use AI voices instead. I'll paste the script I copied right here, and as you can see, there are many great voices available. Try a few of them, choose the voice you like, then click Generate. And in just 1 second, you'll see that it creates this amazing voice. Now let's listen to it together.
This niche generates thousands of sales every single day, and you really should have at least 5 books in this niche. And look at these interior.
The result is always impressive and accurate from the very first time. And don't forget, you can also add your own voice and generate an AI version of it. This way, you can use your AI voice in all your videos instead of recording your voice every single time. This alone saves you a huge amount of time and effort. If we go back again to the Tools section, you'll find a tool called Subtitle Translator. This tool is perfect if you don't want to translate the entire video, meaning you don't want to translate the voice itself, but instead, you want the video to stay in English while showing subtitles in another language, like Spanish, German, or others. This is extremely useful if you're targeting multi-language countries and want to run one ad using one video. For example, the spoken language in the video stays English, but the subtitles at the bottom are in Spanish. Let's try this video as an example. We simply enter the settings exactly like I showed you before, and now let's see the result. This niche generates thousands of sales every single day. In just a few seconds, you'll see that it automatically adds translated subtitles in the language we chose, which is Spanish. We can place them at the bottom like this, so the video now supports two languages at the same time. This is incredibly powerful. I personally benefited a lot from this website, and I showed you exactly how to use it. The biggest benefit here is that you can create videos for your books, publish them on social media, and translate them into multiple languages, because this is what can truly flip your sales upside down. I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to like and follow, and goodbye.